What's going on, G Squad? It's your boy D, man, and welcome back. So I dropped a bid. Bid just kind of consisted of me linking up with J Malcolm and Lil Crazy Whips, man, and we went over to Monte Carlo, got some advice on some things that I needed to order for the SS. I kind of pulled the trigger on getting some of those parts, as well as some additional parts I need to get for the SS that I knew I needed to get. With that being said, in that video, I discussed me getting a cross member from Summit that was labeled, well, let me take that back. Not really labeled, but that was kind of like concerning to a lot of individuals that has ordered the cross member from Summit, whether or not it was a GForce cross member. Now, when you try to search Summit website for GForce cross member, there were no GForce cross members. So I was under the impression that they didn't sell it. Well, they did, however, had a Summit that looked very, very similar to GForce cross members. And in the comment section, individuals were stating that when they did buy the Summit cross member, it stated that it had, that it was a GForce and it had GForce on it. Surprisingly, when I got my cross member, it had GForce in the instructions, nowhere on the actual cross member. So my mind got the best of me. I went ahead and got on a site and I ordered a cross member that actually said, it was GForce Performance products, this, that, and the third, and it came in today. So that being said, I wanted to do a comparison of the two cross members just so we can see whether or not Summit's cross member is actually a GForce cross member, and if you could potentially save yourself some money. You dig? So with that being said, man, we're gonna go ahead and dive right into it. But before we do, you already know what you gotta do for your boy. You gotta like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Definitely smash the notification bell, man. That way you can stay alert to all the new drops you did. So let's get back into it. All right, guys, so here are my two boxes. I've actually already kind of like unboxed both of them. I was preparing myself to take this one back, which was the Summit. As you can tell, this one here came in through the mail. So this is the one I actually ordered, and it came today. You dig? And I opened it. So I already know, like what's going on here, but we're gonna see what's up. And in the morning, I'm gonna make a phone call and I'm gonna try to find out some additional details through what they call GForce Performance products. Their actual website is crossmembers.com. The product GForce, it comes out of like Akron, Ohio. So I'm gonna make a phone call tomorrow, see if I can get like some type of back end, see what's going on. But with that being said, man, let's go and pull these out and we're gonna see what they look like. You dig? Just kind of looking at them in comparison, peoples, this is the exact same cross member. So this side here is from Summit. That side is actually from Speedway Motors. Speedwaymotors.com. Now on the site, this one didn't actually say it was GForce in the description. This one only stated in some of the comments that it was an actual GForce, and some individuals stated that their cross member that came that they bought, it actually had GForce labeled on it. Now when I got this cross member, I was a bit hesitant because it didn't say GForce on it anywhere, and they typically say GForce on the front facing of the cross member right in this area, and it doesn't say it. when I got this crossmember today, same situation. It didn't say it on there. They both have the sticker on the back that say backup crossmember. During installation, they both are marked G7s on it. If you can see that, I don't know if you can. Actually, let me turn it this way. But they both have a marking that say G7, and they both have the same instructions. So, one thing I did notice by the instructions, what do the instructions say? The instructions actually have GForce on the instructions. So, is that enough to say that these crossmembers are truly GForce crossmembers, and Summit is actually selling a GForce crossmember as Summit crossmember? I don't know, but what I am gonna do is I'm gonna call GForce Performance in the morning just to kind of see if they can give us a reason why these crossmembers are sold as GForce crossmembers and they don't have the sticker. When I went on their site, I noticed a lot of their crossmembers on the actual crossmember.com, which is the GForce Performance products website. I noticed that a lot of their pictures don't have GForce on the crossmembers. So I'm wondering if they actually went through some type of patent issue. I also noticed that their logo kind of changed. So that might be an issue. You did, so we're gonna find out, but this is my own personal opinion. It is safe to say that Summit is actually selling GForce crossmembers as a Summit crossmember. This is for Gbody specific. And also, it is safe to say that there is a price difference. So if you run down the Summit, the crossmember itself is about a $15. There's a $15 difference. It's actually cheaper at Summit than ordering it anywhere else. So you may be able to save yourself some money by snapping one of these, but we're gonna find out more details, man. Now, what am I gonna do with these crossmembers? I don't know, guys. I might keep both, y'all. To be perfectly honest with you, up under the Malibu right now, I did order a crossmember for the Malibu. I ordered a JX crossmember, and I don't really like it. I don't really like it. And now that I got both here, I might just bite the bullet and keep both. Stay tuned, man. When I call them in the morning, we're gonna find out. And I'm also, you know, yeah, we're gonna find out. I just was kind of like doing some research, and then we finally located you guys' website, thecrossmembers.com.
Bear with me, please, Gerald.
No problem.
The original style on the website for $285, and I will get that together with Steph when she's in the office tomorrow. We'll have these put in the mail. If you do not get just a return email by end of day that I received it, please check back, because maybe it didn't go through for some reason.
Okay, no problem. All right, and we back, man. So as you can see, I got on the phone with GForce company, which is called GForce Performance Products. Got on the phone with them and found out some interesting information, and for my sake, some good information. Number one, when it comes to the decals, anytime you buy one of those GForce crossmembers through one of their dealers, they don't ship it with the decals. Okay, however, it is a GForce. Speedway Motors is a licensed dealer of theirs. Summit Racing is also a licensed dealer, but in a specialized way. And when I say that, apparently they manufacture Summit's crossmembers for them. However, Summit is selling it as a Summit brand Crossmember. This is out, you know, out of his mouth. You know what I mean? This is straight from the source information, guys. So then he informed me that the Crossmember I bought for Speedway Motors is definitely a GForce Crossmember. They're definitely their licensed dealer. And with that being said, he's gonna ship me out 2 GForce logos. If you want the logos to come directly with the Crossmember, you have to order it directly through them. If you get it through somewhere else, they're not gonna have a logo on them. All right, or the decals on them. So this is good information. Now, I wanted to share this information with you guys because through Summit Racing, it's actually a little bit cheaper. If you go pick it up, it's, you know, $270 on their website. It's $285 through other places, even directly through crossmembers.com. It's $285. So yeah, that's what I got for you guys, man. So I have 2 GForce Crossmembers right here. And guess what? I've decided instead of sending one back, I'm gonna go ahead and keep both of them. I'm gonna put one in Amani, I'm gonna put one in Betty White, and I'm gonna put one in Betty Boo. And I'm gonna go ahead and take down that JX Crossmember, man, and probably chuck it to the side. So that's what we got. That's what we got. You did. So that's your boy with that information, man. I appreciate y'all for checking in, man. I wish I'd have caught him talking. Like I said, I got too excited, too anxious to get him a call, and I just totally forgot to lift up the camera. You did. So, but I did catch that tail end of it. You know what I mean? And you saw that. Yes, he called him. I ain't lying. You did. So, but without further ado, man, I appreciate y'all for checking in. And until next time, and be ready next time, we're finna get to work. You did.